How to use Moomoo trading app. So basically, Moomoo is a trading and investing app which is completely free, and as you can see, there are no commissions. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Google Play or App Store and then simply install the Moomoo trading and investing app. Then you're gonna have to simply create your free account. Now, if you want, you can also go to their official website and then simply click on open account. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your email address and click on next. Then you're gonna have to enter some personal details about you, like your first and last name, your address. Now, as you can see here on Moomoo, there are over 100 advanced indicators and charting tools, so you can do some research directly in the app. Now, if you want, as you can see, you have the option to trade stocks, ETFs, and options. So basically that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.